Introverts often have distinct preferences and behaviors in social situations. Here's a detailed list of what introverts typically do and want. 1. Solitude to recharge. Introverts need alone time to recharge and regain energy after social interactions. They often prefer quieter, solitary environments to process thoughts. 2. Meaningful conversations. They prefer deep, meaningful conversations over small talk. Introverts value discussions about ideas, thoughts, and emotions. 3. Selective socializing. Introverts tend to have a smaller circle of close friends and prefer quality over quantity in their relationships. They're selective about who they spend time with. 4. Thoughtful observation. They enjoy observing and analyzing their surroundings. Introverts often take in details and are more reflective in their interactions. 5. Preparation. Before interaction, introverts might mentally prepare before socializing or participating in events, ensuring they feel mentally ready for the interaction. 6. Alone time activities. Enjoy solitary activities like reading, writing, painting, or engaging in hobbies that allow them to express creativity or focus deeply on a task. 7. Personal space. Introverts value personal space and boundaries. They might feel uncomfortable with intrusions into their personal space without permission. 8. Avoiding overstimulation. They can be sensitive to overstimulation, such as loud noises, crowded places, or too much social interaction, which can drain their energy. 9. Independent work environment. They often work better in quieter, independent work environments where they can concentrate without constant interruption. 10. Reflective decision-making. Introverts tend to take their time when making decisions, reflecting deeply before reaching conclusions or taking action. 11. Meaningful connections. They seek deep, meaningful connections in relationships and value authenticity and loyalty in friendships. 12. Respect for personal time. Introverts appreciate others, respecting their need for alone time and understanding their preference for solitude. 13. Listening and empathy. They are often good listeners and possess strong empathy, understanding others' emotions and perspectives. 14. Self-expression through writing. Introverts might find comfort in expressing themselves through writing, as it allows them to articulate thoughts and feelings more clearly. 15. Meaningful activities. They prefer engaging in activities that have depth and meaning to them, rather than participating in activities solely for the sake of socializing. Understanding these preferences and tendencies of introverts helps create environments and interactions that respect their needs, fostering more comfortable and meaningful connections for everyone involved.